The Chicago.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't nothing.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Talking shit.
Use my name. In the street? My name is my name!
YouTube. Man, I'm out here about to clean up this garage, but before I do that, I'm see if I can change my shocks without even taking the goddamn tire off. I don't feel like lifting that damn rim. Too damn heavy. Good meat on them, good meat. But change them shocks out. Put the N3 Rough Country on there. If I don't like how these ride, I'm gonna go get the what is that? The Blistine shocks. Cause excuse me. Cause this sit low in the front. It's not even. It's like let's see. It's like that. But get that out. And also yeah. Well, let me get to it so I can start cleaning this garage out. Alright. Oh shit, what I'm showing y'all, this is the one I got from Harbor Freight. And then this is the one I was waiting on to come in. And it came with all the pads and everything. So let me go and get to it. Alright, back with y'all. This top bolt, it's a 15 millimeter. I just got some extensions on there, small breaker bar. And if it starts turning on y'all, if y'all got a big enough vice grips, y'all can put it around the whole cylinder itself. If not, I put mine, if I can show y'all, underneath there and just grabbed it so it stops spinning. And for this bottom one, I just used, I'm just using a tire. Actually, if I can show y'all, because I can't see with this tire on there. It's a tire and fit. Just, bam, see? I got it jacked up. So, let me go ahead and get this one off. Alright, YouTube. Man, this shock's so long, I had to get me some zip ties and compress it further than what it came, because I couldn't get it down. I mean, I can't get it into place. I just used some zip ties, so y'all can see, and compressed it. And I'm gonna probably pull a little bit more, compress it in some more, then pull these a little bit more. But just a little tip for y'all. Yep. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all how long the shock is compared to the old one. They probably ain't never changed it. And mind you, this is compressed. So, it's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I had hell getting this bad boy on there, though. It's on there, though. Yeah, but I figured out how to do it, so the other side should be simple. Let me go and knock this out. Like I said, I gotta jump in the truck. I got shit to do. Alright, YouTube, got the passenger side on. Right on there. Sitting higher than me. Front. So call that a wrap. Bring y'all a couple more videos in a minute. Sitting higher than me, man. I should have measured it, but I ain't worried about the height. I'm worried about, I want the ride. So let's check it out. Okay, YouTube, I'm back with y'all after my little ride. To me, man, Rough Country is over fucking rated, cause it still ride rough as shit to me. I'm gonna end up getting that Blistines or whatever Yeah, I'm about to call Rough Country or leave them an email or whatever tonight, because it's still right rough. It's leveled out. Like the front ain't low no more, but it's rough. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to do that. I'm gonna put air suspension in the front, but really don't want to go through that. I'm about to get something though. If y'all got any ideas what I should do, let me know. Like I say, it's even all the way around now. It ain't sagging in the front. I give them that. But as far as the ride quality, I could have left my old shocks on.